Yeah, are you recording?
Mm-hmm. Do you want me to start?
So
Okay.
you want to have a slow, just to make sure we have a solid and moderate flow of water going through the condenser at all times. Let's see this one. Okay, so I'm not going to turn it on today, but when we actually do an experiment and we actually have a liquid in here to try and heat up, you want to turn this, the heating mantle, all the way up to the max until it actually starts properly boiling. If it boils too much, at that point, turn it down just to moderate it, but you should be able to keep it at maximum. So the temperature itself is actually really important, and that's like that's why we have the thermometer here in the first place. So, because when you do a distillation, you have a liquid, of a mixture of liquids of different boiling points. So at the point where it reaches the first boiling point, all the heat goes into boiling the actual first liquid. So at that point, the temperature will be steady. And while the temperature is steady at first, that's when we're collecting the first fraction of the first part. And we continue doing this all the way until the point where the temperature starts rising, and that's why it's important to keep track of the temperature. And when the temperature starts rising, we have to change the beaker, because now we're collecting a mixture between the two liquids, because both of them are still getting boiled. And we do this, and you keep this beaker in all the way until the temperature stabilizes again. This means that we only have the last fraction being boiled. At that point, we switch around like this, and now we're collecting the other liquid that we have in the distillate. And we do this until about we have approximately, let's say, 5 milliliters of liquid left within here to be heated. We do not ever want it to run dry in here, because that's very dangerous. It could cause an explosion, the glass can break. It's very bad. So we want to leave some in the bottom. We want to shut off way before then. And after the distillation is done, you shut off the heat apparatus, keep the water flowing, and just wait it to return to room temperature, and then you can disassemble and clean. And that's how you do a distillation.